Quesadillas have always been my go-to food, especially in college and after, just if you're in a hurry. It's easy, throw tortilla down, throw some butter on it, put the ingredients inside, and voila. And now I'm going to show you how to make a quesadilla without the tortilla. Quesadillas have always been an every guy's staple from high school to college and beyond. Easy to do. You don't have to cook it. You can put it in the microwave, whatever you want to do. I'm going to make a quesadilla today without the tortilla. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So in the pan right now I have some steak, butter of course, and I have cotija cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, and jalapenos. And I'm going to be adding a little bit more Monterey Jack cheese as this starts to melt. And then I'm going to flip it over and start making it look like a quesadilla. The butter and the type of cheeses that I'm using is why it's able to move like this across the pan and not stick to it. So you'll want to remember that. Cotija cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, and butter will allow you to do this. And I threw in the jalapenos and the steak because, I mean, that's going to be delicious. Okay, so now it's melting. Cotija cheese needs a little higher heat to really melt, but the Monterey Jack cheese will get around it and help melt it. So, alright, I'm going to pause it for a second, add some more cheese. Okay, so now we got half of the circle done, like a quesadilla would be, a round, right? So we got that half done with the ingredients in it, and now I'm just going to put some more cheese over here. Don't worry about how it goes in right now, because you can form it here in a second. So and we're just letting the other side crisp up, which is going to be really, really good. Let's get some over here too. Yum. A little heart if you want to, like your Valentine's Day or something next to you. Guys, ideas for you. That's like cooking now. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start thinking about flipping it over. And this side's been going for a while. This side right here has been going for a while, so turn that in. Oh, nice brown. I like that. That looks good. Yeah, that's good. We don't want anything left out, so should get all the stragglers in there. Pan. Yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it off the heat and just let it form itself naturally, and then I'm going to just basically not divide it, but I'm just going to flip one side onto the other like you would with a quesadilla. It's that easy. So the heat is off. I'm literally just going to let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not going to do anything. Then I'm going to come back and I'll fold it. Okay, so now it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to throw some of this green sauce in there. I make my own, but this is actually really good as well. Just going to put that right there like that. It's already pretty spicy, but I like to really make things spicy. And, there's a lot more flavor. Not a lot more, but there's a lot of flavor in this as well, so you'll enjoy it. But do whatever you want with it. You can throw in black olives if you want to cut the heat. You can throw in whatever you want to a quesadilla. Just, you don't even have to be creative. But this is going to taste good. Alright, time to fold it. I don't have a really good spatula. This is my friend's place, so I'm going to do what I can. You get the idea. So I'm going to keep forming it, and then in a second it'll look exactly like like a quesadilla, basically. It's already starting to shape up like it, so you can see that. Boom, you cut it and enjoy. Cheers. And voila, The no tortilla quesadilla. Yum. Enjoy. And you're welcome.